nightstands are the true definition of trash to cash. Taking out my trash, and I found these by the dumpster, and a few days later I sold them for $400. And they were in really good condition. They were just covered in all these stickers. I poured some Goo Gone all over the stickers. I let it sit for a few minutes, do its magic, and all the stickers came right off. I added wood filler soup all over the nightstands, aka watered down wood filler. This is to fill in all the wood grain. I sanded down the wood filler smooth and scuff sanded the entire piece with a 220 grit, and then I primed using a spray can primer. This is my favorite way to prime furniture, and I painted it this really pretty off-white beige color. I have so much burlap fabric left over from my last furniture flip, so I decided to add it to the front of the drawers. I cut it to size and I apply it using wood glue and Mod Podge. Here's the before one more time, and here is the after. I can't believe these are the same nightstands I found by the dumpster. I listed them on Facebook Marketplace for $400 and they sold within 2 hours. The after. I can't believe these are the same nightstands I found by the dumpster. I listed them on Facebook Marketplace for $400 and they sold within 2 hours.